Do you own life insurance? Are you looking to purchase life insurance? Are you a trust officer who's responsible with monitoring life insurance policies for others? Well, if you're one of those three, then this video is for you. I'm Michael Gerali with Healthcare Genius, and I'm going to walk through a couple of different technology platforms today that are going to make your life so much easier. So, with that, let's get started. So again, are you paying too much for your life insurance? You may not know whether you are or not because a lot of times there aren't really a lot of benchmarking tools out there to do that. Again, if you don't own life insurance, but you're looking to better understand the different types, then we're going to go through that. And then if you're a bank trustee or trust officer, and you're responsible for reviewing policies, making sure that they're adequate for your clients, then this will also be valuable to you. Again, all of this is about saving money at the end of the day, making sure money stays with you, the consumer, or again, for your clients. So iLife is really the first of its kind technology platform that allows individuals and organizations to quote both term insurance and permanent insurance, including whole life and index universal life, and then final expense insurance. So, and actually universal life as well. So we've never, this is the first group that we've seen out there. It literally puts all of that control in your hands. There are some analytics that are built into it where you can compare. Let's say you're looking at a permanent policy, a whole life policy, and you want to compare that to how money would look in an S&P 500 fund or even a 10-year treasury. That's included in the program. So it allows you to shop all sorts of different things at the convenience, at home at 12 o'clock at night, at your office, wherever you'd like to be looking at that. It gives you those options. And just a quick thing again, this is an example of the site. We'll have a link for it to you down below, but you can click on term, permanent, final expense. Final expense really being to cover those things like burial and any debts that you might have if you were to pass away. That's traditionally what that coverage is. Proformex is another first of its kind technology platform that analyze or automates the annual review process for life insurance policies, and they just recently added annuities as well. You may say, well, why is that important? Well, with today's new products, especially if you're looking at index universal life or variable life, it's important to be looking at those policies every year, just like you do with your investment portfolio. And Proformex has completely automated that. They have links to a good portion of the insurance companies where we can run what we call in-force illustrations to show how the policy is performing. Is it doing as well as what it was projected to do when we first issued the life insurance policy? And then if it's off track, it allows you to make adjustments. And again, this is something, if you're a bank trust officer or a trustee, can be very valuable, but it's also valuable to you as a consumer. This is all integrated into the Performix platform. And so we have a challenge here. What we tend to like to do is, we want to give you information on our videos, but we also want to give you something that's meaningful. So if you look at iLife, will have the link for it, but it's also up here. You can visit the website, play around with it, run some quotes for yourself, see what makes the most sense. Again, choose the type of insurance you're looking at. Even if you want to compare it to your existing policy, then you'll just click on Browse Quotes. You can compare that coverage again with what you have currently. Review some of the analytics and the illustrations. The illustrations are all right there. And then if you've got questions, there's a link that you can contact us. And then if once you've done all of this, we really encourage you to post at the bottom of our video what your results are and if you found this valuable. So again, with Proformex on that, We don't necessarily have a demo for that. So if you're interested in that, if you hit info@bespokeretire.com, then we can provide you with some more information on how that particular program works. So again, Michael Gerali with Healthcare Genius and Bespoke Retirement Advisors. These resources, we have a webinar that we co-hosted with Tom Hagnan, one of the world's leading economists, on life insurance. So you can learn more there. The QR code for the iLife site is there, and then our contact information is in the middle. So thank you. We hope you found this valuable. Have a great day.